Hi friends! Today we are drawing this funny popcorn. Let's get started. And I will begin drawing eyeglasses first. Little bit off the center on the left side. I will draw one line. For the top part of the glasses. Approximately in the middle of that line and little bit below, I will draw one short line like this. Now I will connect the left sides of both lines with semicircle. And the same with the right ends of both lines. Now I'm going to draw the arm of the eyeglasses. I will draw one straight line and curve at the end, and the same line nearby, and connect with the curve. Next I will add two semicircles inside of the eyeglasses. And I will add the eyes inside of those semicircles. Let's not forget about highlights. And we can fill the space in. Now when we are done with the most part of the glasses, we can start drawing the box. Approximately in the middle of that curve and little bit below, I will put one spot as a guideline. And from this spot, I will start drawing a line parallel to the top part of the glasses. And it will end approximately here, little bit past the eyeglasses frame. And we will get the base of the box. From here we will draw two lines going up and sideways. Like one here. Another one here. And that's going to be the front side of the box. For the side of the box, let's draw one short line going sideways and add one more vertical line like so. Now to draw a top of the box, I will add one zigzag line connecting our vertical lines. And I will do the same for the side part of the box. Let's add some popcorn on the top of the box, and the popcorn will look like little fluffy clouds. You can add as many as you want. Add some curves inside to make it look fluffier. I think that's enough. Let's add his happy smile. And now we can draw his arms. One arm will hold the glasses, and another one a popcorn. And now let's finish the drawing by adding his legs. I will draw him sitting like he's watching a movie. Oh, I almost forgot to add one short line here for another arm of the glasses. Now our line work is done, we can get to the coloring. And when we finish the coloring, we can think of the ways to get creative with this funny body. I will speed up the coloring process. You can pause the video when you need to catch up. Alright, here is our popcorn. And as always, I encourage you to make some changes in this drawing to make it your own artwork. For example, you can draw him holding a soda in his hand, or maybe soda sitting next to him and enjoying the movie together. I really hope that you enjoyed drawing with me today, and see you in my next videos. Bye bye!